Oversize.io's enterprise tools are simple and easy to use because they bolt onto our basic system. Input your origin and destination, load dimensions, and equipment to receive a quote as you usually would, and scroll down to the cost assessment tool. Our new custom quoting feature allows you to enter your custom parameters directly into our system and obtain a true price instantly. To view your current quote parameters, select the Load Planning tab and then select Quote Framework. If you have custom parameters inputted, they will be listed here. You can edit values as you see fit. With help for major changes or to initially input your custom rules, we encourage you to contact support at Oversize.io. Below are default values that you can adjust accordingly. After you have made changes, be sure to scroll all the way down and select Update to ensure that all your changes are saved. Other quoting factors can be changed, such as extra miles, fuel rates, and escort pricing. They can be changed here under the Additional Cost feature. To the left, we see new features that will help with organization and business analytics. You will now be able to store critical information regarding drivers, customers, carriers, contacts, and projects. These specific categories can be viewed and edited on the Load Planning tab as well. Simply select the desired category to view or make changes within. All of these categories play a pivotal role in the new quote management feature. Now you can select quote status, add an identifying pro number or other identifying number, select whether or not it was brokered or moved with a company truck. Next, we can add our gross revenue and what we brokered it for. It will now display our margin in both percentage and real dollar values. We can assign a customer, a project, if applicable. Select one of our carriers and add any associated contacts with this movement here. Below, our lane history shows similar loads moved from the origin area to help you instantly assess past notes and profitability. The enterprise tools provide a seamless solution from quote to delivery. After you've delivered, keep track of your performance using our Business Analytics tool, located on the Load Planning tab. Here you have access to numerous analyzations of quotes by agent, revenue per agent, win-loss ratios, profit margins, and much more. Be able to accurately assess data and make the best decisions for your growing business.